What's up guys, Chris here with another Sketchup tutorial to help you through your day. Today I'm going to be talking about the push and pull tool. It's a very simple tool, but it's going to be the tool that you use to pretty much model everything. So let's dive right into it. As you can see, I've created a bunch of random shapes and these are all grouped. We know how to group now. So let's dive into this group. By double clicking, you'll know that you're in the group because it shows a dotted box around it. What you're going to do is either click on the push and pull or type P. Hover over the surface, you'll see the surface changes. That means that that surface is the surface you're going to be pushing and pulling. You click on it once and drag. That will give you a push and pull action. Now what you can do is if you know the height or wanting to snap to something, you can do that process. I'll show you that just now. But let's, for this sake of the process, we're going to say 4 meters high. If you want to exit the group, spacebar to get your cursor, exit. That is the simple action of push and pull. Now, where little added features to this is, if you double click into this and you say you want this square to be the same height as that rectangle, you type key again for push and pull, make sure the surface is highlighted, and you can double click on it, which will remember the previous command of that height. Now that's really cool. The same can be said for these items. Push and pull, double click, push and pull, double click. All same height. Now, this helps with staircases. When you start drawing staircases and it knows an increment, you can double click, and it just keeps increasing the staircase by that height. There is one more item that I want to show about the push and pull. Say you had for an item in the background and you knew that that was the part that you wanted to snap to. Say it was a face. And you wanted to snap this to that height. So you, again, I push and pull, make sure the surface highlighted, click, and you're going to basically drag it up until you can get to a base point to snap to. Click again, and you basically push and pull to snap to a base point. And that basically is the push and pull tool. Hope you guys enjoyed. Catch you in the next one.